A lot of people are using wage advance apps like Beforepay to get a small amount of cash quickly before payday. While these services offer a convenient solution, users have voiced a number of complaints about the platform. Understanding these issues is important before you decide to use the service. One of the most frequent complaints revolves around the upfront cost. Beforepay charges a flat 5% transaction fee on every cash out. While they market this as not being interest or a late fee, for users who rely on the service frequently, this fee adds up quickly and can become a significant recurring cost. Many users have also reported frustrating technical glitches, especially issues with bank connectivity. The app requires a secure link to your bank account to assess eligibility and schedule repayments, and when this link is lost or fails, it prevents users from cashing out, often at the most critical times. This can leave people without access to their funds and cause financial distress. Another common pain point is customer service. Users have described the support as slow or unresponsive, particularly when trying to resolve complicated issues like payment adjustments, sudden changes in their eligible cash-out limit, or ongoing technical problems. The only channel for support is online, which can be frustrating when immediate help is needed. Finally, a significant number of people complain about their borrowing limits suddenly and drastically being reduced without clear explanation. Customers who consistently pay back on time report their limit dropping from a high amount to a minimal one, leaving them stranded and unable to access funds they had come to rely on. Beforepay explains that these changes relate to shifts in a user's bank account activity or spending, but the sudden nature of the change and lack of communication is a major source of dissatisfaction.